Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Barbican and we are giving you an update on a new development taking place on East Kings House Road. This development is being done by Issa Construction and it's going to be a commercial building. It's right across from Barbican Center or the Lashushan Plaza. The correct name is Barbican Center, but because the Lashushan supermarket is over there, a lot of people just refer to the plaza as Lashushan. And that's East Kings House Road that we're looking at now. And that road is actually going to be expanded to 4 lanes. Well, this section is already 4 lanes, but going all the way, if you look straight ahead, it merges to 2 lanes. But it's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes all the way back to Hope Road. So this is prime real estate. And on the right, you're seeing the Barbican Center coming into view. And Barbican Center is actually going to be expanded. And it's going to go from where it is all the way over to the open lot where you have the Hilo supermarket. So this is prime real estate. And here we're going to show you the surrounding area. A lot of housing developments in this area. And more coming, because like Halifax, a lot of housing developments are going up. Paddington, the area, a lot of developments going up. So that's the Barbican Center on the left, and this is the open lot. So the plaza is going to come all across and go all the way up to Barbican Road, which is what we're looking at now. And Barbican Road was already upgraded to 4 lanes. You can see how developed the area is. And that's the intersection of East Kings House Road and Barbican Road right there. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. We don't have a lot of info on this development, so if anybody has any information on it, leave a comment in the section below. I will include it in a follow-up video. Alright guys, have a good day.